Dear viewers, today in our terrace garden, we're going to see about the crown of thorns plant. As the name implies, yes, it has many thorns in this plant. You can all see how many thorns are there in this plant, so as the name implies this. It's also called as the Christ plant or the Christ throne. Growing the plant is very easy because it adapts well to the normal room temperatures and in dry indoor environment. So today let's see how this plant we are growing in our terrace garden. It just you can cut the stem of this plant and you can plant it so it grows very nicely. The soil mixing is very easy here. You should have a very minimum amount of garden soil, that's enough, and you need more and more of sand to grow this plant because it best suits the desert climate. So now we have that plant which I got it from the garden. I have just cut the stems of those plants and so many stems are there, and these stems now I'm going to plant it into different pots so that we will have a very beautiful crown of thorn plants growing in many pots, and this gives a beautiful look to our garden. The flower is really very nice. Look, I'm planting one by one each stem which I've cut. So while cutting the stem, please be very careful because it has many thorns. Take care of your hand, use a gloves, or if you're keeping it with a bare hand, but be very careful. Please keep this out of reach of the children. It's just for a decorative purpose and your garden will look so beautiful. We are here to just tell you that we can grow even a desert plant, kind of a plant, in our terrace garden using suitable conditions. So since this is a desert plant which adapts to that climate, if you have missed watering or feeding occasionally, it's okay with this plant. So if you're out for a day or two, it's good, no problem. If you have this plant at home, it stores water for itself for say 1 or 2 days. It's best to place the plant in a very sunny environment. It's better to be very careful while planting this because it is a crown of thorns plant. Place more sand mixture with the gardening soil. So that's what I have done here. Preparation of the soil. You need more sand. Either you can add some more pebbles also inside, and see how beautiful we have planted in one of 4 or 5 pots in our terrace garden. That looks very pretty, and this goes a little faster also, say a day of 10 or 15. Its roots gets very deep and it grows, and its flowers are really very nice. So after a couple of days this flower has been bloomed. See how pinkish, very nice colored flower. You have different varieties of colors in this also. Bluish is there, you have brown. So you have many varieties in our terrace garden. We have this pink color flower. So how beautiful it is to look. It's basically a decorative purpose. This flower you can keep it in your front of your balcony or the front of your home, so it gives a nice good look to your home. So basically these are all decorative flowers. So in our terrace garden we also cultivated a desert plant, and it's been grown well beautifully and it looks so nice. So dear viewers, hope you all like this video, and I also recommend you to choose this plant for your home and keep it in a terrace garden or in your balcony and view the very pleasant view of this, and your home feels very lovely and beautiful. Kindly like our video, share our video, and please subscribe to your video, dear viewers. Looking forward for many. Please support us, dear viewers. Thank you, and thank you so much.